A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about adverb of time. Okay, so we have already learnt about adverbs and we have learnt about adverb of manner too. Okay, so let's have a recap on what we have learnt. Okay, so come on, tell me, Evangeline, what are adverbs? Come on, tell me, what are adverbs?
Adverb of time and
No. I want what are adverbs. Please don't look into your book. You have to know what is adverb is. From your mind, you have to tell me. Adverb. So what have you understood?
Adverb is action word.
Adverb is not action word. Adverb is what?
Adverb
Verbs are action words. Adverbs means what? Adverbs are nothing but
words which show
tells
some
something more about the action word. Okay, so we do many actions as such. We do write it, we read. Okay, so we do many actions. So when we write, we have to write neatly. So which is the adverb there? Neatly is the adverb there. Eat slowly. So slowly is the adverb. Walk quickly. So quickly is the adverb there. So adverbs are nothing but they are words that tell us something more about the verb. Okay. Adverbs are words that tells us something more about the verb. That's from the word itself, it's very clear. Adverb. So verb has been added to it. So nothing but we are adding something to the verb. So the word that tells us something more about the verb is called an adverb. Clear to all of you? Yes. So let's move on. Children, you have to read what is written there in your workbook. Okay, so we have finished with adverb of manner. Now we are in adverb of time. So we should be thorough without looking at our book. Any exercise comes, we should be able to do the exercise by our own. Okay, so we have also learnt about adverb of manner. Adverb of manner answers the question. Answers the question? How? It is very easy to identify also. So adverb of manner tells us how the action is done. It tells us how the action is done. So most of the adverbs ends in ly, quickly, slowly. All these are the adverb of manner. Only there are 3 words that do not end in ly. Which are those words?
fast.
Yes, it is well, hard, fast. So those are the words which do not end in ly. Is that clear to all of you? Now, that is all about the adverb of manner. Now let's move on to adverb of time. Okay. So all of you please have a look at it. Okay, so all of you please move on to worksheet 17, page 30. 30 means 30. 30. Okay, so all of you please have a look at it. Adverb of time tells us when an action happened. Okay, what does it tell us, children? It tells us when an action happened. Okay, it tells us when the action happens. Okay, it tells us the time. It tells us the time is not by 6:30, 5:30, 4:20. It's not like that. But it tells us the words tells us when the action happened. Is it today or yesterday or tomorrow, soon or now? These are the words which tells us that these are yes, earlier, late. All these are the adverbs which tells us it is adverb of time. So all of you please have a look at it. Adverb of time tells us when an action happened. So it answers a question, when. Clear? In order to, when do we ask a question? When? When means in order to know the time and the date. When? When is the exam, ma'am? It is on. I'll send you the date as well as the time. So this is the time and the date. So in order to know when means it is the day and the date. So here it is not, day and the date is not mentioned. So the words which help us, these are the words which tells us when. These are the common adverb of time. These words tells us when the action happened. So these are the common examples. I hope so we have learnt it. Have we learnt it last week?
Yes.
Yes. So let's go through it once more. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. These words we should be thorough with. Okay, once we look at the sentence, we should be able to. Yes, today, yesterday, tomorrow, Then we have to go to the word tonight. Okay, tonight, last week, last year. Okay, last week, last year. Then now, later, later, earlier, soon. Okay, earlier, soon. Is that clear to all of you? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yes, let's say it once more. These are very, very important. These are the words which tells us, these are the adverb of time. It tells us when an action happens. Okay, so let's say it once more. Today,
Today, yesterday,
yesterday, tomorrow, tonight, last week, last year, now, later, earlier, soon. Soon. Then we have also learnt about this. Haven't we learnt it? So he will go home now. First, we need to identify the verb in the sentence. Which is the verb there? Will go is the verb. Then ask a question. When will he go? When? Now. Now is the adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? Now is the adverb of time. Clear to all of you? Now all of you look at the second example. Mom bought this yesterday. So all of you, yes. Ask her, first you have to identify the verb in the sentence. Children, please. If you answer it, no one will understand. Okay. This just we will do a recapping. So mom bought this yesterday. So when I unmute it, you give me the answers. Okay. So come on, identify the verb in the sentence. Come on, tell me the verb here. Verb. Okay. Is that clear to all of you? Now ask a question. When did Yesterday was a holiday. It was a Sunday. So you went with your mom and bought this. Okay. So yesterday. Is that clear to all of you? So when did you buy this? Yesterday. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. All of you, please have a look at it. Aunt Helen visited the farm last week. Okay. She has. Oh, here. So first you need to identify the verb in the sentence. Why means adverb of time, it is not like adverb of manner, because here it is very easy to identify the adverb of manner. Most of the words ends in ly. So it is very easy to identify. But here, if you can't understand, we are familiar with the verb. So first of all, you need to identify the verb in the sentence. Now, Aunt Helen visited the farm last week. If you don't know to identify the adverb of time, first this is the way you have to, best way of identifying it. Visited is the verb there. Ask a question to the verb. When did she visit the farm? When? It is? Come on, give me the answer. Have I muted you all? Yes, come on, give me the answer. Last week. The last week is the adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
So that is the way. When you read a question, children, first you need to understand what it is. Okay, first you need to understand what it is. First you have to read the question. They will watch a movie tonight. Okay, that is the sentence. First we need to identify the verb in the sentence. Come on, identify the verb here. Let me see whether you could identify the verb in the sentence. What is the verb there? Will watch. We have already learnt about the tense. So we know they will watch means they haven't watched it. They haven't watched till you answer. They haven't watched till now. Will watch means it is a future tense. They are going to watch. Okay. So they are going to watch. Okay. They are going to watch. Is that clear to all of you? They are going to watch. That means will watch. So when will they watch a movie? Ask a question. When will they watch a movie? Tonight. So tonight is the adverb there. Clear to all of you? Have all of you understood? This is the way you will identify the adverb of time in a sentence. Is that clear to all of you, my dear children? Clear? Okay. Now let me, Chriswin, come on, Chriswin. Read the next question for me. Chriswin, are you there? Unmuted.
Yes.
Yes.
My sister gave me this bag last year.
Gave me this bag last year. Come on, identify the verb in the sentence. Which is a verb there?
Give.
Gave. Gave is a verb there. Come on, ask a question. When did she give you this bag?
Last week.
Last year. Okay. So last year is the adverb there. Very good, Chrisman. Well done. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Next question is to Yadav. Yadav, come on. Read the question, Yadav. George.
George.
Finished. The painting.
Painting.
Earlier. Okay, George finished the painting earlier. So, come on, identify the verb first. Come on, tell me. When your sentence is given, first we need to identify what is known to us. Okay, we already know what is a verb is. Come on, identify the verb.
Painting.
George finished the painting earlier. Here the sentence, which is the verb here. I didn't ask anyone. I asked to Yadav.
Verb is finish.
I don't want
Verb
a
is
question.
finish.
What is that?
Verb is finish.
Very good. Finished is the verb here. Okay. So now ask a question. When did he finish?
Earlier.
Earlier is the adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? So that is an easy way of identifying. You will not make any mistakes. So that is what we told you. Adverb of time tells you when the action happened and it answers the question when. So it is easier for us to identify it.
Madam
Okay,
Chriswin.
Satyan, wait, you please don't call out your names. We will call you. I know whom I haven't seen you in the last session. So come on, Ashik. Come on,
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
question.
The meeting.
The meeting.
The meeting will
Start.
start soon.
Yes, the meeting
Start
will start soon. So,
Start.
no, first you ask, well, identify the verb in the sentence. Come on, identify which is the verb there.
Start.
Will start. Very good. That is right. Will start. Now ask a question. When will it start?
Soon.
Soon. Very good. Soon is the adverb there. Okay. So that's why I've told you only most of the adverbs end in ly. There are many adverbs that do not end in ly. Those adverbs are adverb of time and adverb of place. Okay. So we need to ask a question. So it is very easy to identify for us. You will not make any mistakes. So that's all with examples. Now there is an exercise for you. You have to identify the adverb of time here. Okay, so all of you please do take page number 30. I'm not going to do it for you. You have to do it as homework. Okay, you have to only to underline the adverb of time. We shall now begin to work. Come on, identify the adverb of time here.
I don't have a book. Now.
Okay, now.
I don't have a book.
That is, children, please do see that you have a book with you always. Okay. So here we shall now begin to work. So now is the adverb of time.
I can write in rough book.
Yes. But see that before the school reopens, you all are ready with your workbook as well as you have completed all your work. I'll be sending you the answer keys. I'll keep on sending the notes as well as answer keys. See that you complete it quickly. Okay, children. So we shall now begin to work. So now was the adverb. So you need to underline only the adverb of time. So this is the way you have to do the rest of the sentences. You have 10 sentences here. See that you complete it. This is your homework for tomorrow.
Ma'am.
Yes. What do you want me to do it?
Today's Ashik Satyan's birthday.
Today is Ashik Satyan's birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Ashik. He didn't tell me, no.
Happy birthday, Ashik.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Ashik.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
So,
Happy birthday to you, Ashik.
Okay, children.
Happy birthday, Ashik.
Okay, so here is an exercise for you, my dear children. This exercise, you have to, 10 sentences are there. You have to do it as homework. You only need to underline the adverb of time. So, I'm not going to do this exercise for you. I'm going to do a different exercise for you, which is adverb of time here. Okay, so here in this box, can you see the box here? Is it?
Yeah.
Can you see the box? Can all of you see the box? Is it visible to everyone?
Yes.
Is it visible to everyone? This box. We will keep it for the next class. That is place it is. So this box, can you see it?
Yes.
See the box? Okay. So you are going to read the question and you are going to identify the adverb of time. I'll start with Evangeline. Let me see whether Evangeline, come on, read the question.
He arrived 2 days ago.
Yes, he arrived 2 days ago. Okay, then.
Arrived is the adverb.
Arrived is what?
Days.
Huh?
Days is the
No. First, how did I ask you to find out? First, you have to need to find. Don't be in a hurry. Read the sentence. If you haven't understood, read it once more. Come on, read it once more.
She arrived 2
She it is, not he. It is she arrived
days
2 days ago. That is a sentence. Okay, let it be there. First time, what did I tell you, Evangeline? What we need to find out?
adverb.
Adverb. We have to find out the adverb. Okay, but if it is confusing for you, first you have to find out the verb. Come on, identify the verb here. What is the verb there? Is there any verb there in the sentence?
Arrived.
Arrived. Very good. That is a verb there. Okay, that is a verb. Arrived is a verb. Now ask a question to the verb. When did she arrive? Come on.
2
When did
days
she
ago.
arrive? Yes, 2 days ago. Now you got the answer, no? Yes, come on. Now tell me adverb of time. Identify the adverb of time now.
2 days ago.
No, we don't want 2 days and all. We want only ago. Okay, how many days ago? It's okay. But ago is the adverb of time there. Got the answer now, Evangeline? Now you understood how to do it? Yes? You need to identify the verb if it is confusing for you. If you're familiar with the adverb, then it's okay. Okay, children. So this is how you have to. Haran, come on.
Excuse
I
me,
think
ma'am.
this question is not so. We'll move on to the third question. Come on.
Shortly.
Last month only. That is okay. That is okay. We can do it. We can do it. I think so. I haven't taught you that. Okay, come on. Second. Come on. Come on.
I wrote to him last
Month. Okay, come on. Identify the adverb of time there. It is?
month.
Yes, that is the answer. We have learned about last week. We have learned about last year. Even last month is an adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. Whatever it is, even if it's last week, last year.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear, what do you want?
The workbook homework, we want to underline the verb.
Not verb, it is adverb.
Ma'am,
Repeat the question.
You want to underline the adverb,
Yes, you have to underline the adverb of time.
the one Crispin.
not adverb of time, and adverb, verb.
Which one?
Action word we want to underline in the
No. Only the adverb of time you need to underline. Okay.
Ma'am, Crispin.
Wait. I'll call you. Ruswin, I'll be giving you a chance. Wait. Let me see who hasn't joined. I'm looking for some children.
Ma'am, that is the cat.
Please don't call out your names, please. Sabika, come on, Sabika. Read the next question. Everyone should be given a chance. I'm looking for that. I'm marking you. Those who haven't got the chance still now, please do let me know it. Who's Adi here? Who's Adi here? Why Sribal is not at all joining? Come on, read the question, Sabika. Sabiga,
Ma'am.
wait, let me see whether she could do it. If she is not able to, then we'll move on to you. Sabiga, are you there? Okay, Danush, come on, Danush.
Yes,
Danush, Danush, are you there, Danush? Danush is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, Danush, read the question. Children, some children, if I'm calling, they will not respond.
Back
soon. I will be back soon. Come on, identify the adverb of time there.
Back.
Back. You're finding it difficult.
Soon.
Soon is the adverb of time there. Will be back is a verb there. Okay, I will be back soon. So back means I will come back. That is the meaning of I will be back. So that is the verb there. Now ask a question, when will he back? Soon. So soon is the adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? Yes? Safani is also not joining. Sri Bala. Vinayak is there. Vinayak is also not there. Vinayak, are you there, Vinayak? No. Okay, now let's move on to the next sentence. Next sentence, Anushka. Come on, Anushka. Read the next question for me.
Yes,
Many absentees are there. And even Safani is not joining. Prithwin, Dev and Nivya. Nivya, you're absent. Ryan, MU is absent.
Nivya is present.
Yes, present. Nivya is present. Okay, Nivya is present. Joanna is present. Joanna?
Ma'am, is present.
Yes, I marked you present. Joanna, are you present?
Absent.
Okay.
Ma'am, just next, Jerome.
Ma'am, I can read.
No, Anushka, come on, read the question. Anushka called you.
tomorrow.
Come on, read the question. He will?
Come tomorrow.
Okay, he will come tomorrow. Come on, identify the adverb of time there.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, Evangeline, Sabiga, Danush. Please do turn on your videos. Let me see you all. What is happening to these children? Why is that you're not turning on your videos? Devananda, come on, Devananda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read
I have
this question.
prepared it early.
Yes, I
I have prepared
it already. So,
already.
mm,
Already.
yes, already. Already is the answer there. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. Archa, come on, Archa. Read the next question.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Archa,
Ma'am.
yes.
Since the first,
The next question. I haven't.
I haven't been
I haven't sent a message.
sent a message
Lately.
lately.
So,
Been.
yes, what is that? I haven't sent a message lately, which is the adverb of time there.
Later.
Lately is the adverb of time there. Okay, lately. I haven't sent a message lately. So, lately is the adverb of time there. Okay. So, here you have few words for you. Let me see. If I have any other exercises, we will do the simplest one for us. Yes. Okay. A simplest exercise is there for you. Okay. First, let us do this. Okay. So, are you all ready? So the exercise which is there in your workbook, you have to do it as home assignment. Okay, the workbook which is there, you have to do it as home assignment. And okay, and this exercise you have to, come on, let me call you. Diya, come on, Diya. Read the first question. First question, Diya. The first question is already done. Diya, come on, read the question, Diya.
The play will begin now.
So, now, very good. Now was the adverb of time there. Okay,
Time.
now. Okay, Sabika, come on. Sabika, when I call her, she will go away. Come on, read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Which question, ma'am?
Third question.
The boy
Mm,
name
mm,
James.
The boy came. The boy came.
Ellie.
Early, very good. Come on, identify the adverb of time there.
Boy.
Boy is the adverb of time there for you.
No. Ellie.
Then. Early is the adverb of time there. Come on, verb it is came is the verb there. Ask a question, when did he come? He came early. So early is the adverb of time there. That's why I've told you to ask a question when, if you find it difficult. It is very easier for us to identify the verb. Verbs are action words. So came. Coming is the action there. So came is a verb there. Ask a question to the verb. When? When did he come? Early. So early is the adverb of time. This is the easiest way of identifying it. Advait, yes, come on, Advait.
I will see him tomorrow.
Yes, I will see him tomorrow. Come on, identify the adverb of time here.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, very good. Tomorrow is the adverb of time there. If it's easy, you can identify straightly. If you're confusing for you, just identify the verb and ask a question when you will get the answer. Okay, Ryan, Manu, come on, Ryan. Read the next question.
He has arrived today.
Yes.
Today.
Yes, today. Very good. Today. Today is the adverb of time there. Okay. Wait. I'll call you. Amaya, come on, Amaya.
Ma'am, Divya.
Amaya. Louder, please. Amaya, I could not hear you. It's of no use. Yes, Amaya. I could not hear you. Okay, Nivya, come on, Nivya. Please do turn on a video. Sabika, Advait, yes, Maria and all. Nivya, come on, read the question. Sixth question, Nivya.
Okay, ma'am. The train will reach to Delhi tomorrow.
Okay. The train will reach to Delhi tomorrow. Come on, tell me which is the adverb of time here.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, very good. Tomorrow. It is easy, children. Only thing is you have to read the question and understand it. I'm giving you the clues and I'm asking you how to identify is also. So use the same procedure for this for each sentences. It'll be very easier for you. Nakshatra, come on, Nakshatra. Come on, read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. Your
Desire.
desire will be
Fulfilled soon. Okay, come on, identify the adverb of time.
Soon.
Soon, very good. Soon. That's all. Soon. Okay. Rishan, come on, Rishan. Next question. Rishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishan. Read the question. Next question, Rishan. He also, can't you see the board? He also. Come on, see the board. Can't you see the board?
He also
Died soon.
died soon after
Consuming it. Consuming it.
consuming it.
Okay, come on, identify the adverb of time there.
It.
How come? He also died soon after consuming it. When did he die?
Soon.
Soon. Okay, after eating it, soon after he ate whatever it is, he died. Okay, that it is soon. Yes. Now let's move on to some of you. Please do keep your Ryan, Manu, Mohammed Ryan Mo. Come on. Come on, read the next question. Now, now let me die let me die a brave death for my son. Come on, read the question, my dear. It's not visible.
Son.
Now let me die a brave death for my son. So which is the adverb of time there?
Son.
No. How come? It is son. It is not soon. It is son. So which is the adverb of time there? Read the question. Now let me die a brave death for my son. When? Ask a question. When? Answer is, anyone can give me the answer?
Yes, after school, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer?
Late.
It is?
No.
Now. It is now. Now is the answer. Okay, now. Okay. All of you, please do mute. Satik is there. Satik is your video is not on. And how could I can ask you the question? Yes, Yadav. Did I ask you, Yadav?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Then Shivada. Come on, Shivada. Shivada. Yes, come on. Last question. It's time up. We should
Never fall into the hands of the money lenders.
Yes, we should never fall into the hands of money lenders. Come on, tell me which is the adverb of time there.
Never.
Never. Very good. Well done. Never. So this is how children, only through practice, we can learn grammar as well as mathematics. So once we have to learn how to be done. So any sentence is given, we should be able to identify it. Nothing is there. If it's, that's why I've told you the rule also, how to identify the adverb of time. First, you need to underline the verb. Then you ask a question when. So it is easy. You will get the answer, and that is the adverb of time. Okay, children. So with this, we are going to wind up today's session. Please go through your workbook before doing the exercise, which is in page number 30 and 31, and do the exercise which is there in page number 30 and 31. So let's wind up today's session. I hope you all have understood what has been taught today. Okay, children. So today evening itself, you do the homework which has been taught. So it will be fresh in your mind. Okay, children. So bye-bye. Bye all of you. Thank you. Thank you.